Welcome back to our channel. Real quick video. Did you know that Amazon has a trade-in program where you can actually trade in your old Amazon devices for the latest and greatest ones, guys? You can get credit for your old devices, and I'll tell you how to do it in today's video. Stay tuned. So what is this trade-in all about? So Amazon announced this not too long ago where you could trade up or trade in. It's two different options, so I'll explain both of them to you in today's video. So first, trade up. So basically what that means is you're gonna take an old device, whether it's I'll just give you an example for a Fire Stick. So I've got a second generation Fire TV stick here. Whether working or not, they will give you percentage off of the latest and greatest. So what you would do is you would send this in at their cost. They send you a label. You send this to them, you get 20% off. So you get 20% off the latest and greatest 4K Max. It's a great deal if the device you are trading for is on sale, especially good deal, but also if you want the same item, just the latest and greatest. That is the best way to go trading up because you're going to get 20% off, which is a really good deal. The second option is trading it in. So this comes in handy if you have a bunch of these Amazon devices, but you don't necessarily want another Amazon device. You just want, maybe you want a new TV, a new e-bike, or a drone, or anything else, tools, whatever you need on Amazon, you can trade in these items. So you would get a monetary value. So where do you do the trade in? How do you know how much your stuff's worth? Well, that's where I'm gonna put the link in the description section for you. So it'll take you right to that trade-in portal. It's kind of hard to find on Amazon. So I put that link down there for you so you can access it. And once you click that link, it'll actually pull up your account and you can see all of the devices that you currently have linked. This is nice because you could click each one and you could stack multiple items that you don't use anymore and find out how much credit you'll get. Then they'll send you a label. It costs you nothing to send it back. And once they get it back, they will give you the credit on your account and you can buy those other items. It's a great thing to do if you have old items that you don't use. Maybe you have some items that don't work anymore. They don't care. They want the components inside. They're not going to resell the item. They might refurbish it if it's a newer item, but more than likely they just want the components, and so they're willing to give credit to you for that. So I just wanted to tell you about that because I think it's kind of cool, and I've helped a lot of people trade in old devices that stopped working to get credit towards newer devices, which I know I have a lot of newer videos on this channel on the new 4K Max because it's the newest one. It's really good. You can do a lot with it. It's a lot faster. You can increase storage in it. A lot of cool features that the older Fire Sticks didn't have. So that's why I wanted to tell you about the trade-in feature. You can actually trade up or trade it in for something really cool. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that thumbs up right down below. I really do appreciate it. And for those regular subscribers, thanks for supporting the channel.